Hello and welcome back dear subscriber. Today in this video I am going to tell you how to download a NPTEL hall ticket for the complete year 2020. So previous semester and this semester whole exam is at pending. So this is going to be held from December 17 to 20. So hall ticket is available now. So this is the link guys, and I will provide this link so you can easily go and download this. So the link I will provide in video description as well as in the comment section. Okay guys, so when you open you will get like this interface. You have to click here to view the January to July 2020 exam details. Okay, so yet I am not very sure that this is also going to work for this current semester. So if you are not getting the current semester hall ticket using this link, please ping me and let me know in the comment section. I will try to get those link also. So you can check it out, your course name and the date of examination and what session your examination is going to be for forenoon or afternoon. So forenoon is from 9 to 12 and afternoon exam is from 2 to 5. And before the examination you have to report at the center 1 hour earlier, and once you enter in the exam hall, then after 1.5 hours you can only leave the exam hall. So those things you take care of, and those all detail you will get on the hall ticket. So here you will get the name, center name and the address of center. You will get complete information and you just have to click on download and you can download your hall ticket guys. So hall ticket will be look like this. Let me open it. Okay, just wait. Okay, so still loading. So you will get this type of hall ticket, and here also the timing and things are the mentioned already, what are the timings of those all, and here the declaration form you have to do. So this will be available, right? And this is like 3-page hall ticket. So guys, you need not to print all those pages. You can take print of the first page, and if the color print is available nearby, you take better the color print. If not, then no problem, you can also take black and white print and you can carry on the exam center. Now coming to some of the question I am getting related to the hall ticket, like some of you have not got it hall ticket. So please drop an email to NPTEL and try to contact. If your college has a sports center, try to contact the sports head and definitely you will get resolution. And the next question I am getting that I have paid for exam, even not cancelled the exam, but while I am opening it is showing that you have not registered courses, like that. So if you are also facing that issue, then please feel free to drop an email to the NPTEL as well as contact the spouse. So you will definitely get some alternative. The next thing, some of you are telling that my hall ticket is available but the detail is there in party, that is look like the blank, like candidate name is mentioned but the name is not, your name is not there. So in that case also please drop an email to NPTEL or try to assess your college spouse. The next question, coming to some people photo is different on the hall ticket. So for that also, and if your date of birth is also not matching, then for that you need not to worry guys. Drop an email to NPTEL and you need not to worry, you can carry the same hall ticket to the exam center. If your name or DOB, date of birth or photo or signature, any of thing is not matching, you can carry that, and along with your photo ID proof. Photo ID proof means any government proof that must contain your photo. So you take that ID proof and definitely those people will allow you after verification to write the examination and they will do the required correction. So you need not to worry guys. Okay, and I hope I am clear with this information. So refer that. And coming to what are the things you can carry to the exam center and what other details. So for that at exam center you have to carry your own water bottle and also you can carry your sanitizers. So those both things must be in the transparent bottle. It must not be yellow, green like that, black. It must be white, transparent. It must be, so you can carry there. And also do care about your health conscious health concern. So you have to maintain social distance, you have to wear face masks, otherwise you will not be allowed to the exam center. So go for that. And one last question I would like to address here. So some of you are asking like, I am currently suffering with COVID-19, or my family someone has infected, or I am in quarantine, so what I can do? So guys, this problem and issue is well known to all, so no worries. You just drop an email to NPTEL, and NPTEL authority will definitely look into the issue, and they will give you some alternative, like they will refund your money, or they will schedule your exam on the later date, or they will allow you to write your examination in coming semester. So you can go for that. And still, if you have any reserved question, then feel free to ask in the comment section. I will be always there to help you out. And now I hope I have done with. And if you have got any information from video, don't forget to like the video, share the video, and post your comment if you really got information. And at end, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please stay at home, stay safe, stay tuned with Deep Code Guru. Happy learning.